In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a layer in Photoshop. By the end, you'll be able to make quick copies of your layers for experiments, variations, and backups, and you'll know how to rename them or send them to another document without losing your place. Start by making sure the layer you want to copy is selected in the Layers panel. This is important because Photoshop will only duplicate the layer that's highlighted. You'll see the selected layer is usually shaded and its thumbnail is outlined. Once it's selected, use the fastest method, press Ctrl+J on Windows or Command+J on a Mac. That instantly creates a duplicate of your layer, places it directly above the original in the stack, and keeps all the same content effects, masks, and blending options. The new layer will typically be named with copy added to your original name, which makes it easy to identify. This is perfect when you want a quick, non-destructive way to try and edit while keeping the original safe underneath. If you don't see a new layer appear, double check that the correct layer was selected before you use the shortcut. If you prefer a more deliberate approach or you want to name the duplicate as you create it, use the right-click method. In the Layers panel, right-click on the layer you want to copy, then choose Duplicate Layer. A small dialog box opens, and this is where you can type a clear, descriptive name for your duplicate. Good naming habits save a lot of time when you're working with complex files. In the same dialog, you can choose a destination for the duplicate. By default, Photoshop will place the copy in your current document, but you can also choose another open document from the list. When you do, Photoshop automatically pastes the duplicate into that document's layer stack, ready for you to position and refine. This is especially helpful when you're building a design system or moving assets between files. Keep in mind that the duplicate retains its pixel dimensions and effects, so if the destination document has a different size or resolution, you may want to reposition or scale it afterward. Both methods are reliable and non-destructive. Use the shortcut when speed matters, and use the right-click dialog when organization and cross-document workflows are your priority. Practice selecting